Hello friends, it's Tuesday and I thought I would just make a quick cocktail for you. This is gonna be a smash. A smash is a category of cocktails more than a specific recipe. If you look up a recipe for a smash on the internet, you'll find mostly bourbon, lime, lemon smash, often called a whiskey smash, and you'll often also find a gin basil smash, gin, basil, and lemon probably. Those are the most common ones. So what is a smash, I hear you asking? A smash basically is an herb and a fruit into your mixing tin, muddled up, spirit on top, ice, shake, pour into a glass. The smash bit is the smashing of your muddler onto the herbs and fruit. Today, I think I'm gonna make a raspberry mint smash because I have raspberry and mint and I feel like having a smash. I think I'll do bourbon and I might put some lime in it. I have some lime left over from the weekend. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Now at this point, you could do what's called a dirty dump. You can just use the ice that you shook with and just dump that whole thing into your glass. That'll leave the herb shards and whatnots in the drink, but sometimes that looks cool and maybe you want that. I am not gonna do that. I'm gonna strain because I don't want all those little raspberry seeds in my drink. And I also just like to use fun ice, so I'm gonna use fun ice in mine. Raspberry and Mint Whisky Smash. I mean, what's not to love about that? Look at that color. So much mint on the nose. It's sweet, berry forward. I mean, it's like a really good mint julep almost. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Drink these all day. That's amazing. Do it.